So here we have our PanelPilotACE development kit, the SD43A DK+. Upon opening the box, you're presented with the circuitry diagram for the development board. On here it just details the features and how you can use them. We then have the development board itself with an area for the PanelPilotACE or the SD43A to sit on, and various add-ons here where you can simulate different operating modes. Next we have the PanelPilotACE itself, or the SD43A. If you open this box up here, you're presented with the quick start guide for the display, and then the display itself. You just pop that out. The SD43A already has a protective film on the display just to protect it there, as well as various analog and digital inputs. If we open the box up further, there's a fixing kit in here, so you can mount the PanelPilotACE on the 43A. If we lift out this tray here, we can find the mini USB lead to connect your SD43A to the PC, as well as the fixing kit for the development board.